Hey, let's have an overview of idle resources and see how we can save some money on EC2 instances. As usual, it will be easy to fix. So first, what is an idle EC2 instance? So it's idle when its CPU is below 2% on a long period, meaning you can just go to the monitoring section of your instance section. If you change the timeline to 6 months, for example, you check the CPU utilization percentage here. And if it's below 2% on a long period, it's idle. You can also check the memory usage if you have it. To find them all, you can use the cost optimization hub service. So you see a graph here, and if you see EC2 instance, click on view opportunities. You can then filter resource type by EC2 instance and recommended action with stop idle or unused resource. So you will have then directly your estimated monthly savings. To fix it, it's really easy. You just have to delete the instance. So if you are not sure it's still useful or not, you can just stop it or abandon the instance for a short period of time. So it will allow a response from your team and a quick rollback if necessary. Otherwise, you can just click on instance state and terminate instance. You might also want to delete the attached EBS volumes if you don't need it.